Hi there, I am Paul Yateman, a scientist by day and among other things an artist by night. Here I draw stuff, spaceships, still life, original characters, life drawing, creatures and mystical beasties. In these videos I tend to show the post-thumbnailing drawing process resulting in a completed work. That typically involves a grey or blue pencil sketch, inking with fine liner, perhaps a scan of the intermediate work, and finally colouring using markers, pencil and sometimes Photoshop. Mostly I offer these up as time-lapse. Mostly. Now and then I'll live stream. Sometimes I'll show the video at normal speed for its entirety, so that's 60 minutes of fun, not much talking. If this sounds like something that would float your boat or provide you with inspiration, sketch ideas or instruction, activate the subscribe button and hit like right now. Also, comment with feedback or requests. Okay, let's see where I'm up to in the time-lapse. Roughing out the shape of this lady's face. I'm using a photograph as reference. I'm just building up the drawing, bit of erasing, bit of penciling in, bit more erasing, just trying to get the face done, and then the hair. And because I'm not particularly good at drawing people, at least when I haven't done it for ages, lots of sort of trial and error, lots of getting the nose looking right, and a lot of implied detail, things like the hair and the straw hat. This is an entirely pencil drawing, so it'll be just lots of HB and mud stick. The goal here would be to give the face a 3D aspect when it's done, and also to have it looking more or less realistic. And because this is a pencil drawing, lots of shading, lots of doing lines, lots of smudging, lots of redoing the lines once they may have been smudged away. And I'm keeping it fairly loose, but also trying to make it look half realistic. For example, with this drawing to the right, it's like, where's the rest of the head based on the cheek and everything. But that's a drawing and that's what I've done, so I'm using artistic license even though it's trying to be realistic and it's not really. Pencil, 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 smudge, smudge, pencil, 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 smudge, smudge, smudge. It's basically a rinse and repeat. So, what do you think? How would you have drawn this? Let me know your thoughts or ideas in the comments. If you have found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw on your own sketchbook, or any fun stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, like this video and consider sharing it. Ideally, share it. If you were inspired to draw, share with me your creation in the comments or by tagging me on social media. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care and happy drawing.